Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shruti and I create content on fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. And in today's video, I am here with the everyday affordable makeup kit. So there are so many young girls who are getting into makeup and this video is particularly about them. And if you are someone who are also building your first makeup kit, this is definitely for you. All the products in this video are something that I do use on a daily basis, even though I have a lot of luxury products. So these are some of the best products in the market by some of the best brands, some of the best international brands. I do have a lot of products to talk about to you today, and all of these products are easily available and are quite affordable. So if you are creating your everyday makeup bag, if you are creating your first makeup bag, this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's get started right into the video. So the first product that I would talk about is a basic moisturizer. So you can use any moisturizer that you are using it right now. If you are oily skin, make sure you are using a gel moisturizer. If you are a dry skin, make sure you are using a cream moisturizer. Prepping is a very essential part of the makeup. So if you have prepped your skin nicely, your makeup, no matter what brand you are using, would definitely shine. So I have used this Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. It is quite affordable, at least in sale. All the products that I'm talking to you today almost sits below 500 rupees, but if something that is ever 500 rupees, I'll also let you know the alternative of this. So this product is bang on for a oily skin girl. Even for a dry skin girl is really good. So I am somewhere in combination, and then this product works fine. So today I have used Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. So the next product after moisturizer that you should have in your makeup bag is a primer. So I have multiple primers for you depending on the concern. So if you have pores in your skin, if you are normal to oily skin and you want matte finish, then something from Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, normal to oily skin. And the best part about this primer is it's also SPF 20, so you can use it in a daytime without like thinking about, although SPF 20 is not something that is recommended if you are stepping out, but still it's good to have if you have not applied a sunscreen. So Maybelline Fit Me. If you are a very dry skin girl like me, so I do use this if I'm doing a full face of makeup, is Studio Finish Oil Primer by PAC. This is oil and it sits so beautifully on your face. If you have very dry skin, I would highly recommend you to try this primer. And if you have like a normal skin type, no issues as such of pores or anything, something like this from Elf Beauty is also so good. This is a Power Grip primer. I love this one, but for today's video, let's use. So talking about the next product, we have the base product, that is foundation. So I have two base products over here. One is L'Oreal Paris True Match Nude Serum Foundation, and the second is Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. So basically one is like skin tint BBCC cream. If you have any skin tint that works for you, that's fine. If not, then something from Maybelline, that's fabulous, or L'Oreal is just so good. I'll add a Maybelline picture over here. I do not have that product with me right now, but that is such a bomb product if you want to buy. And this one is also it has the hyaluronic acid and all the serums, so it sits so beautifully. If you are doing a full face of makeup, then Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation is such a game changer foundation. I love this foundation, so you can have this in your kit. Next product is a concealer, and there is nothing that can beat Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser concealer. I just love it. I am in the shade 130, and if you are around my shade, which is NC 4041, this would be the perfect fit for you. Next, let's talk about Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I think one powder that I would recommend you if you're buying one product for your makeup kit in affordable range has to be Maybelline Fit Me. Such a beautiful formula. It's almost feels like a very luxury, maybe Huda Beauty का baking powder. It's so good. It sits so beautifully. बहुत thin इसके particles है. I love it. even for my daily makeup I always use it. Although I'm telling you, I have so many luxury products which I keep trying because of this channel that I have to do it, but I do believe this is something which is so budget friendly and bang for the bucks. Let's talk about eyeshadow, and there is nothing that comes very close to this Nykaa palette. It has 4 colors, so I basically use pink eyeshadow with for me, I love sort of little bit of pinkiness or peachiness. So for on that note, this one is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. I just can't stop using it. You can see I have used it so much. I keep traveling with this all the time. I can create so many looks of this. It has a very dark shade, a light shade, peachish pinkish kind of shade, and a glitter also for your nighttime look. So if you have this, I think you are sorted. One more palette that I would recommend, it's not mandatory, but something which has black that helps you to create smoky eyes, and along with that you can also fill your eyebrows like I do. So there are a few more eyebrow pencils that are in budget, for example from Nykaa, are really good. So if you want to give a try to that particular eyebrow pencil, then you can give Nykaa a try. Moving on to blushes, so I have 2 options for you guys. If you like to use the powder blush, the Nykaa one in the blush duo is just so good. It's in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. I generally like to mix these 2 colors before applying, and so gorgeous, such a gorgeous shade for a medium skin tone. If you like something in cream, then this K Beauty cream blush in Sweetheart Pink is so fabulous. Also, just a tip, if you are somewhere around my shade, try to incorporate more peachish with pink. That looks more natural on our like medium skin tone. So next product that I believe should be there in every makeup bag is a mascara, and the Maybelline, the Colossal one, is just so good. I love how beautiful it is. It gives you volume, it gives you length, it solves the problem, and so much in budget. So highly recommend this one. It's a giveaway time. So as I promised in my last video, in this video I do a giveaway. So from today's video, I'll pick 2 products and send it to one of the lucky winner. To participate in the giveaway, you have to follow me on Instagram, you have to subscribe my channel over here, write a comment, I'll pick someone randomly, and then I reach out to you if you are the lucky winner. Eyeliner, I think that is also a part of my luxury makeup kit, is the one from Maybelline Tattoo Liner. So I don't think there is an eyeliner as good as this. Also, if you are a newcomer, don't just dive into a gel liquid eyeliner. Try gel eyeliner first. There is so many gel eyeliners in the market, but I haven't tried them, so can't recommend it. What works for me is a liquid eyeliner, and this one from Tattoo Liner is just so good. The best part is its brush. The wand is so big, it gives you like hands free like motion, so that you can create the wings eyeliner. So I totally love it. It's there in my everyday makeup bag, and that tells a lot about this product. If you are someone who wants to do contour, although it's not very beginner friendly, there are like techniques of contouring. If you have like a chubby face, make sure you are contouring right at your this bone here, in chin bone. But if you are someone who wants to do it, this one from K Beauty in a caramel focus, which is good for me because I'm again a medium skin tone, is just so good, and you can have this in your makeup. There are multiple lip products that I have. I'll quickly talk about it over here. So the one, I think all are from Maybelline and Nykaa. So the lip liners that you can have in your makeup kit could be from Nykaa Lips Don't Lie. I have it in pink color and a purple color. The shades are Sweetheart Pink and a Heartbreaker. These both are absolutely gorgeous. I just love the Nykaa lip liners. Again, Maybelline, this Super Stay Vinyl ink lipstick is so good. I again love it. Love it for the red and pinks are quite bold colors. So I got my hands onto this, and I just love these 2 colors for me. one, if you want multiple shades, if you are some a neutral kind of girly, although I'll create a lipstick ka video alag se, but this I'm just giving you a gist. That was from bright colors. So basically these two are the brighter shades of the lipstick. If you want in your makeup kit, you can have. But if you are someone who uses more of a neutral shade, a nude lipstick, then this one from Rene Beauty is so good. I absolutely love it. Although the disadvantage is ये ज़्यादा देर टिकता नहीं है, but color shades इतना अच्छा है. देखो मैंने कितना ख़त्म कर दिया है, ये वाला शेड L06. तो this is so good. You can have this. Again, this one undressed pink from Maybelline is so good. I just love. Oh, you can see my collection. I mostly have pinkish shades. I think I feel more comfortable in that. So this is one of the lipstick from Maybelline. Again 300-400 में आती है, but so good. This Nykaa lipstick in the shade Mischievous Plum is just so good. It's the purple lipstick. Oh my god, I just love it. Such a good lipstick, and definitely give it a try, guys. I think लिपस्टिक इज़ वेरी पर्सनल प्रेफरेंस, सो इसीलिए मैं कुछ सजेस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ. इसलिए मैंने पर्पल, पिंक, न्यूड, ब्राइट कलर्स सब सजेस्ट कर दिया. लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, दिस वन नेवर गेट्स आउट ऑफ स्टाइल, सुपर स्टे मैट इंक, just so good. I always uses this. Kohl kajal, if you like to apply. I think one from K Beauty is again one of my favorite, absolute favorite. You can have this. The best part about this K Beauty kajals are they do not smudge. I don't know. I just don't know how they do not smudge, but they do not smudge, and I love it. उसके अलावा if you are someone who like colorful kajals or something, then these retractable L'Oreal ones are good. It also comes with a smudger, so if you want to create a look, so ये भी is a good option. Last is a makeup fixer. I think NYX Professionals के ये काफ़ी in budget आते हैं. Dewy Finish long lasting setting spray. और Dewy Finish इसलिए है क्योंकि it's I really want my makeup to stay dewy rather than matte. So if you are someone who like this makeup to be dewy, I think mostly ड्राई स्किन गर्ल्स के लिए है, बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट द वन इन मैट, इसका एक मैट वर्जन भी है, सो यू कैन यूज़ दैट एज वेल. टॉकिंग अबाउट टूल्स, आई हैव बंच ऑफ टूल्स दैट आई यूज़, और मार्केट में बहुत सारे टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं, बट द वन दैट आई ऑनेस्टली इट वर्क्स फॉर मी, इट्स चीप, इज़ फर्स्ट वेट एंड वाइल्ड के ये आई शैडो ब्रशेज़. इसमें एक फ्लैट ब्रश है एंड एक फ्लफ़ी है. Works fine for me. This from PAC Beauty Blender is so good. It comes in this bag. ये बहुत सही है if you are someone who are into like if you want to get one makeup tool, I think Beauty Blender ले लो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, because eye shadow and all तो आप हाथ से भी लगा सकते हो. Also for a beginner I would recommend use most of the product with your hand. It gives you a lot of flexibility to use the product, and आप काफ़ी अच्छा blend कर पाओगे. That is something that I strongly believe. This powder puff that I have got from Amazon, ये भी बहुत cheap है. You get a set of 3 black, 3 light cream color का in 200-300 rupees. So good powders के लिए. Even for foundations, this is also very good. This brush is from Nykaa. This is blush powder everything sort of brush. Although इस पे लिखा है powder brush, मैं इससे blush भी use कर लेती हूँ, so it works for me. एक एंगुलर ब्रश, मेक श्योर यू हैव इट इन योर एवरीडे मेकअप बैग, क्योंकि इससे क्या होगा ना, यू कैन पुट ऑन योर आईब्राउज, और अगर आपको नीचे आँख के नीचे कोई आई शैडो डालना है आप डाल सकते हो. तो एक ये ले लो. This one is from Elf Beauty, small angle brush. Make sure you have one of that, क्योंकि I don't think angled brush का कोई substitute है. Like for example, ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर की जगह पे आप फिंगर्स यूज़ कर सकते हो, ब्रश की जगह पे आप पैट कर सकते हो, बट आई थिंक यू शुड हैव दिस. एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर ऑल माई रिकमेंडेशंस टुडे फॉर योर एवरीडे मेकअप बैग. एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग इफ़ यू विल हैव लाइक, सब कुछ होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपके बिगिनर एवरीडे अफोर्डेबल बैग में, बट इफ़ सम पीसेस आर समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू पुट इट देयर, मेक श्योर यू आर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विथ लिप कलर्स, और start making your first beauty bag. Or if you have any questions, comment down in the comment section. I'll make sure to answer if you have any confusion. That's it for this video. This is everything that I wanted to share with you, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, make sure to like the video, and if you want to watch me again, make sure you subscribe the channel. And with that, bye bye.